I've been given the opportunity to clear the fish pass open, and I had visions of me and waders up there opening it, but I believe there's somebody there who will be doing that, so I'm pleased to officially declare the fish pass open. Thank you very much.
It's been a really fantastic day opening the new fish pass here at Cramond on this World Fish Migration Day in celebration of all the events that are happening around the world. We do hope that the local community will enjoy seeing the new fish pass and knowing that the fish are travelling up through this wonderful river here, the River Almond down at Cramond, and enjoying the river and all the aspects that it has to deliver, including the wonderful fishing opportunities that are along this stretch of the River Almond and in other parts of the river catchment.